When you receive your Iron Tib Bar 2.0, you're going to receive your tib bar, extra foam padding, a plastic clip, and then a metal pin to lock everything into place. To use it for loaded tib raises, we're gonna start out here by placing a 10-pounder on the bar, place the clip on second, lock it in place, make sure you hear that clip, and then take your metal pin here and then place that through as our second layer of protection. Sometimes it takes a little while to get in the hole. Once you get in, fasten that in with the clip. From there, place our legs on top of some extra large wedges that we have stacked together. You can also use a foam roller as well. I recommend placing the tib bar in front of those wedges first. They'll make it a little bit easier to set up. So from here, I'm going to place my feet in, have my legs on my foam wedgies, making sure that just my ankle is off of those wedgies, and then I'm going to pull the toes to my face, getting a nice contraction in my tibs, going down nice and slow, holding it there for that inhale, and then pulling in for the exhale. Now, if you find that your feet don't fit into the tib bar, you have a couple options. You can take your extra large foam pads and put them on the bottom here. Give it a second, knock it into place, like so. And what you're gonna find is it's gonna be a little bit easier to get your foot to lock into place. So that's one option you can do. Same thing as before, pull in, push away, nice stretch, pull in, push away, nice and slowly to get that stretch. If you find that isn't comfortable, what you can do next is you're gonna take these foam pads and put them up here, put these down here. So give me a second. We're gonna speed this up though. So we got those foam pads off, and now we're gonna take off these top ones. Now that we got both foam pads off, we're going to take these foam pads and put them at the bottom, put the other ones up top, and then do the other side. Now that you have your tib bar set up with the extra pads, put your feet in, hands behind the body, and then perform your tib raises. If you're doing this with shoes on, you probably won't need the extra foam padding. The extra foam padding is gonna be there for minimalist shoes or barefoot training. Aim for 20 reps at a lower weight. Once you can do 20 reps by 2 sets, then start to increase your weight by 2.5 to 5 pounds each week. If you have any questions, email squatwedgiez@gmail.com or shoot a comment below.